Hi everyone, I just wanted to make this short tutorial about a machine or a device that I've been using quite seriously over the last few weeks that I have absolutely fallen in love with. But it's been around for a while, but I've been taking my training a little bit more seriously over the past few weeks. After all, I am 62 in 2 weeks' time, so I have to keep things on point. Or as my daughter says, you have to work twice as hard to get half the result. Kids keeping it real, eh? Anyway, the device I'm talking about here is the Age Lock WellSpa. Now, some of you may already be familiar with it, use it and absolutely love it. But I've been trialing some new ways to use it, particularly in terms of muscle preparation and muscle recovery, which are two of the three features that it has. And it allows me to connect to an app at the same time, and so I can track my results. The app also gives me loads and loads of new ideas about how to actually use the device and get the best results for it. So this is my favorite serum. It prepares the skin beautifully. Few pumps. Let's say, for example, I want to treat my double hello or my triceps. Just rub it on and then turn on the device. Immediately connects to the app if I want it to, and then I just start working it. It feels incredibly smooth. It brings a sense of well-being. If I've done like a heavy shoulder or a back session, it works absolutely beautiful across my shoulders, my back, all the way down, you know, the top of the lats here as well. And it takes 5 minutes. And then you just like rinse it off, and then you can use one of our firming creams or something like that. It works absolutely brilliantly. So that's just what I want to do, tell you a little bit about the WellSpa IO. Incredible device. Not only that, it works on cellulite, lymphatic drainage, skin tightening, and all the rest of it. So none of us have got cellulite, of course, have they? Really. So it works beautifully here on, you know, those kind of like little love handles, inner thighs, outer thighs, wherever you want to do. We recommend using it 3 times a week for 5 minutes. It just rinses off and then put on a bit of firming cream afterwards. And there you go. And the results have been absolutely spectacular. The clinical trials and also the personal results of our clients and business partners as well. So the Bluetooth connects to the app. That's completely free to download. You get access to all the information and all the different types of programs and settings that you can use as well. So it really is the most incredible device. If you would like some more information and obviously some prices, then please let me know. We even have an option to pay in 3 if it makes it easier for you. But in the meantime, hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I've loved sharing this information with you, and I think you can probably hear my enthusiasm. That's all for now. Have a great day. Bye now.